In this video, I'm going to help you solve for the variable in this equation. 2y minus 8 equals a negative 3y minus 18. I would like to get this on this side, so if I add it, it'll disappear from here because it cancels out, and whatever I do on one side, I must also do on the other side. Now I need this to disappear because I want the variable y and the number to be on one side of the equal sign, and I want the rest to be on the other side. So to make that disappear, I have to, because that now cancels out, but I have to do it over here. So when I combine those, I have a negative 10. So that's 5 times something would give me a negative 10. 5 times a negative 2 will give me a negative 10, but the way I really can prove that is I divide both sides by 5, and I get y equals negative 2. Thanks for watching.